Ever wonder what a war zone looks like in 2025? It's not what you think. The U.S. Army's quietly testing some next-level gear that's about to change everything on the battlefield. Right now, soldiers are putting cutting-edge drone and ground technology through its paces. This isn't just about cool gadgets. It's part of something called transforming in contact, making our forces faster and smarter. First up, meet the Ghost XS. Operated from the company level, it extends communication, provides top-tier day and night video, and helps target enemies with pinpoint accuracy. This drone can launch and complete sky surveillance within 6 minutes. Then, there's the Kiteo X2D. This tiny quadcopter can launch in under a minute, giving platoons high-resolution video out to 3 kilometers, day or night. But it's not all about flying. Check out the Steed, the silent tactical energy-enhanced dismount. This electric all-terrain beast can haul 500 pounds for 15-30 miles, completely silently. Imagine the tactical advantage. No more heavy gear and VA claims. Talk about light infantry. And if you thought that was impressive, the SMET system, or Small Multi-Purpose Equipment Transport, is an 8-wheeled robotic mule. Operated by a single remote, it lightens soldier loads and can adapt to tons of combat roles. What do you think of tomorrow's soldier? These systems enhance readiness and boost their ability to react when crisis hits. What's the most game-changing piece of tech here? Let us know in the comments. Thank you for watching Combat Continuum, and don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more insights into the future soldier.